everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 1148 Dragonfly Avenue in Pickering. That's right, so we're at Unit 102. This is a Madame built stacked townhouse. Awesome thing here is we've got 3 bedrooms, 3 full washrooms, and 3 full balconies. Why don't you guys go around, take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, what an amazing unit we have over here. Where do you actually find this? 3 full bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 3 balconies. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour of that property. We're in an amazing Madame built neighborhood over here, and there's a lot more exciting things to come here. If you guys have any questions about this property, I'd be more than happy to answer them. My contact information is gonna be on the screen. Also more than happy to show you guys around personally at this unit. Until next time guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.